Very good morning, students. I am L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School. Dear children, we shall discuss about the tropical and subtropical regions, that is Geography, Chapter 12. This chapter will enable us to know much more about the tropical and the subtropical regions located in the world. So, it's better for us to let's get started. The Amazon Basin. First, the physical base of the Amazon Basin we shall study. Amazon Basin, located in South America. The Amazon Basin extends between the Brazilian highlands in the south and Guiana Highland in the north. The Andes Mountains form the western boundary, and the Atlantic Ocean is located in the east. The river basin is the largest in the world, covering an area of about 7 million square kilometers. No doubt about that, this river basin is known as the heart of South America. Different types of flora, fauna, diversities, resources, wild animals are found here. The river Amazon, popularly called Solimões, means the king of waters, rises in the snow-laden Andes Mountains and flows eastward into the Atlantic Ocean. It is the world's largest river in terms of volume of water. It carries and the second longest river with a length of about 6,400 kilometers. It meanders across a wide floodplain, forming a great mosaic of lakes or lagos, ponds, and river channels known as rise and pernas. The low-lying plains are flooded annually and form swamps in many places. The soil in this region contains fertile alluvium. The Amazon Basin or Amazonia is the world's largest equatorial rainforest where resides a wealth of life richer than anywhere else on earth. The basin is drained by the river Amazon and its tributaries such as Madeira, Rio Negro, and Jingo. Climate. What type of climate is found there? As the Amazon basin is located in the equatorial region, it receives the vertical rays of the sun throughout the year, and so the climate here is hot and wet throughout the year. The average temperature ranges between 25 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius respectively. The annual rainfall here is over 250 centimeters and it rains almost every day. The rainfall is usually convectional in nature and usually takes place in the afternoon. Now natural vegetation. The dense evergreen tropical rainforest known as the selvas occupy most parts of the Amazon basin. These forests form a thick canopy with creepers, climbers, and lianas, epiphytes, and giant ferns, and are difficult to penetrate. Therefore, they have limited commercial value. Trees are broad-leaved hardwoods with thick barks such as mahogany, rubber, ebony, rosewood, corozo, palm, cocoa, dimona, divedive, and cinchona. These hardwood trees provide material for construction, furniture making, etc. The bark of the cinchona tree found here is used for making quinine, which cures malaria, rubber, gum, nuts, cocoa, resins, and cork are the other important forest products. However, these forests are being cleared to provide land for industry, settlements, and agriculture. So, a threat has created before this, and life has fallen danger. Wildlife. The dense evergreen Amazon rainforests are home to a wide variety of wildlife ranging from various types of monkeys, lizards, bats, fishes, and birds. More than 2,000 varieties of fish, including the flesh-eating piranha, pirarucu, tambaqui, and sea animals, such as the caiman, turtle, dolphin, and manatee, are found in the region. Colorful birds like the hummingbird, toucans, parrots, etc. Pumas, jaguars, anteaters, armadillo, crocodiles, alligators, and snakes, including the anaconda, the largest snake in the world, are found in the region. With persistent hunting, many of these are becoming endangered species, and beetles and butterflies are also found here. Life of the people. The Amazon basin has been home to humans for a long time. The rainforests of this region are now an integral part of the vast and enormously diverse ecosystem spread across the basin. The interior of the forest is inhabited by tribal people who practice hunting, gathering, and fishing as their primary occupations. Many of these were nomadic tribes who moved on as soon as they utilized the food at one place. They built temporary leaf shelters on raised platforms to avoid floods and supplemented meat and fish with nuts, berries, tubers, and fruits. The tribes who were more settled also practiced shifting cultivation or slash and burn agriculture, in which they cleared a part of the forest by cutting and burning the vegetation to plant crops such as manioc, yam, cassava, beans, banana, and sweet potatoes. Once a plot of land lost its fertility, they moved on to clear a new patch of forest land. In some parts of the Amazon basin, commercial rubber plantations have also developed, and certain tribes are engaged in tapping rubber from wild trees. Mining has developed in some places, and iron ore, copper, gold bauxite, manganese, etc. are mined. Some farmers also rear cattle to provide milk and meat. They graze on pastures on the higher slopes. Amazonians mostly live near water, from the typical floating house on huge logs in the river. People spread to villages on the higher ground where they build permanent wooden structures. Sometimes on stilts, most towns serve as market centers for production of products of the surrounding lands. For example, Brazil nuts, wood, fish and even iron ore, oil and bauxite, which are mined in the area. So in this way, we can say the Amazon basin is known as the heart of the South America. Different types of species are found. It gets rain heavily every time due to location near the equatorial region. The annual rainfall is about 250 centimeter. There is daily rain after noon. Evergreen forest is found there. That's why this is known the rainforest. None such a place there where such types of diversity or variety of fish or water animals is found. Different types of agricultural activities also practiced around the basin, like cocoa, resin, core. They are produced from the forest region of this basin. Bark of the cinchona tree different types of timbers for industrial use, making furnitures. These are also found here. No doubt about that, this basin is very rich in all types of varieties. So, we have discussed up to here. Rest part of this chapter will be discussed in the next video. We shall be meeting next time. Till then, you must do the work as prescribed by your teacher. Complete your copy, do exercise in PC as well as fair copy, and go to perform in better way. Learn question answer as interaction also will be taking place next time. After that, when the chapter will be over, oral test will be conducted in the class through live class, and you have to learn all the questions answered properly as prescribed by me. Thank you.